All right, so here we have the Leolee ergonomic wrist support and mouse pad. A few of the key features here for you. So this has got a really nice soft lycra material on here, and it's really nice and smooth to the touch, which I like. It's going to give me some great support right here. It is 17 inches long and 3 3/4 inches wide. Fits perfectly. It's like the length of a keyboard, which is exactly what you want. Feels great. The memory foam, you press your wrist down there and the memory foam comes back to life, springs right back to where it was. Nice rubbery bottom with a texture on there. It doesn't slide around. It's still movable, but it's got enough traction where it's going to stay in place unless you want to move it, which is great. Great stitching on here. Stitching looks really nice. A nice solid wrist support. Exactly what you'd hope for in a wrist support. It says Rose Garden on it, and it's black rose on the listing. Not sure why that is, but that's what it is. Wrist pad, same thing, black rose. It's got the ergonomic memory foam in here, which feels great. You push it in, it just pops back out. It's got the black rose design, and on the back it has a non-slip rubber surface, which is pretty tacky. So you put this guy down, it's not going anywhere unless you lift it up, unless you make it move. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so this ought to be perfect for my mom. She likes roses. I don't know if she'll like black roses, but she likes roses. And this is great, like I said, great wrist support. If you got any kind of wrist issues you're dealing with, this is something you would want to use, while you're typing. Helps you out, keeps you safe and ergonomic. I like it. Feels good. The Leolee wrist support and wrist supported mouse pad with memory foam. Pretty awesome. Check it out.